everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So kal Eid hai. Happy Eid to you all. I thought why not to create a last minute easy Eid look for you all. As you know, I post makeup videos which you can actually wear in your real life, daily life. So here I am with another video and let's just get into the video.
I'm starting with the face primer. You just have to pat the face primer. Next, I'm going in with my eyebrows. For that extra glow in Eid, I'm gonna use a face illuminator. I'm using it on the higher points of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, some on the chin and the forehead. Next, I'm using a color corrector from Nykaa for my acne mark. Then I'm going in with my concealer to add some brightness. Now I'll jump in with my foundation. I'm using a full coverage foundation. Next, I'm using a loose powder to set my makeup. Next, I'm going to prime my lid with a concealer as I will go heavy with my eye makeup. This will help the eyeshadow color to pop. With the help of a fluffy brush like this, I'm using a shade of pink similar to my outfit, covering the crease and the lid. Next, I'm using a shimmer eyeshadow from Nykaa, similar to the pink. I'm going in with my inner corners. Next, I'm using a purple eyeshadow, creating a wing liner effect. Please ignore my expressions. I added the falsies and the look has enhanced instantly. I'm using it from Nykaa. Next, for contour, I'm using Insight Cosmetics. Blush from Sugar. I'm using a V-Stick Duo from, I do not even remember the brand, but its highlighter is so amazing. It just gives you a natural glow. It is so easy to use. I'm just going to use my hands to blend it. then some lipstick to complete the look. And this is the final look. I hope you like this. I've tried something this heavy eye makeup for the very first time, but I'm really loving this look. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you all. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll repeat that again, and I'll see you next week, guys. Bye.